Hey guys, today we're going to be making Paneer Tikka Masala.
And guys, if you can, please hit the subscribe button and the like button if you do enjoy. And if you want to receive all the videos that Fresh Cooking makes, please hit the bell. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Shout out to Blue Lightning XX for helping me a lot on this video. His YouTube channel is in the description below. Go subscribe to him. Alright, enjoy.